Hi everybody, this is Kurt with Specialties Automotive. Just wanted to walk around this 2019 Jaguar E-Pace that we have and so you can see the overall condition that it is in. These are beautiful cars. It runs and drives great. I've personally driven it. As you can see, it has the backup sensors and backup camera to help you with parking so you don't hit anything. Rims and tires in great shape. I love the black rims on the white paint. This is an E-Pace S, so with that you're going to get a little bit more aggressive looks, bigger front rotors and brakes, running LED lights, and a little bit more power out of the 2.0 inline 4 that comes on these E-Paces. Pretty quick for a small SUV. I do love the looks of these E-Paces. I think they're one of the best looking SUVs on the market right now. Here's a view of the other side. This E-Pace is all-wheel drive to help you with the inclement weather, get you where you need to go. Has the panoramic sunroof. Rear passengers always love that. Here's a view of the engine. Like I was saying, it's a 2.0 liter, pumping out 246 horsepower. Tires in great condition, have plenty of life left. Alright, and here's a view of the interior. Has a very modern and refreshing looking interior that Jaguar is known for. Here's a view of the rear. Seats fold down if you need to put bigger items in the trunk. Also wanted to note that this vehicle does have navigation, heated seats for the front passengers, driver and passenger. You will be able to connect your phone using Bluetooth, all of that good stuff, play your music from there. There's that beautiful panoramic roof. Alright, here's the view of the trunk. As you can see, it has a cargo cover, so looking in, your valuables won't be exposed. Spare tire. And another view of the rear passenger side. and a view of the passenger front. Has the manufacturer's books. I want to show you the backup camera. Connect it using your phone. All right, that'll do it for this e-Pace. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. See you next time.